Hello kids! Welcome to our class. I am Teacher Romeline, your teacher in English. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to recognize adverbs of manner. What is an adverb? Very good! Adverb describes an action word or a verb. It answers the questions how, when, and where. Underline the adverb that is found in the sentence. Number 1. Father came home early. What is the adverb? Very good. The adverb is early because it answers the question when. Number 2. She dances gracefully. What is the adverb? Very good. Gracefully because it answers the question how. Number 3. The children play outside. What is the adverb? Very good. Outside because it answers the question where. Number 4. Father came home late. What is the adverb? Very good. The adverb is late because it answers the question when. Number 5. I ate my dinner quickly. What is the adverb? Very good. The adverb is quickly because it answers the question how. I have here a picture. What do you see on the picture? Very good. The boy is singing. This morning, let us learn about a story about a boy who joined the singing contest. Are you ready to listen? But before that, let us unlock first the difficult word found in the story. What is success? What do you mean by success? The girls were happy because of their success. What does success mean? Very good. Success means triumph or win. Before we will proceed, let us first read the motive questions to be answered after the story. Number 1. Who won the singing contest? Number 2. How did mother divide the pineapple? Number 3. How did they celebrate Carlos' success? Number 4. If you were the children, would you also share your food? Number 5. What would happen if we will not share our blessings? I will read to you the story now. The title is Carlos' Success. Carlos won the singing contest. To celebrate his success, mother brought a pineapple pie. She divides it equally to her 2 children. Each children eat 1 slice. They celebrated his success happily. Who won the singing contest? Very good. Carlos won the singing contest. How many slices did each child eat? Very good. Each child eat 1 slice. How do we write it in fraction? If this is the pie, how do we write it in fraction? I have here a figure. Consider that this is the pie. Now, how many children divide the pie? Yes, very good too. How many each one eaten? Yes, 1. So this shaded part is the 1 slice of pie that each one eaten. Now, how do we write this in fraction? How do you write the symbol? Very good. This is how we write the symbol. When we write this in word, this is how we write 1/2. Now, what do you call this upper part of the fraction? Very good. This is the numerator. How about the lower part? Very good. It is the denominator. How did Mother divide the pineapple pie? Very good. Mother divided equally. How did they celebrate Carlos' success? Very good. They celebrate it happily. If you were the children, would you also share your food? Why? Very good. Yes, so that we can help others who do not have food. What would happen if we will not share our blessings? Yes, very good. If we will not share, no one will help us. So we must share. Let us read the following sentences. Number 1. She divides it equally to her 2 children. How did she divide it? Very good. She divides it equally. Number 2. They celebrated his success happily. How did they celebrate? Very good. Happily. Equally and happily are what we call adverbs of manner. So this morning, let us study about the adverbs of manner. What is an adverb of manner? Very good. An adverb of manner tells how an action is done. It answers the question how. Most adjectives form into adverb of manner by adding ly. Example, careful becomes carefully. Silent becomes silently. So we add ly to the adjective. For adjectives that ends in y, we will change y to I and add ly. For example, happy becomes happily. We change the y into I, then add ly. Next, easy. Easy becomes easily because we change y to I and add ly becomes easily. For adjectives that ends in e, we will remove the e and add ly. For example, simple. Remove the e and add ly. Simply. Gentle. Remove the e and add ly. Gently. Some adjectives that ends in e will not remove e. We will just add ly. For example, safe becomes safely. We will not remove the e because if we remove e, it will no longer be read as safe. So we will retain e. Next, polite becomes politely. Next, wise becomes wisely. We will just add ly and retain the e. For irregular adverbs, we will not add ly. For example, good, will, fast, fast, hard, hard, late, late, straight, straight. For our activity number 1, complete the table. Change the adjectives into adverb of manner. Number 1, quick. Number 2, careful. Number 3, correct. Number 4, noisy. Number 5, possible. Let us now answer the table. Quick becomes very good, quickly. Number 2, careful. Careful becomes very good, carefully. Number 3, correct. Correct becomes very good, correctly. How about noisy? Very good. Noisy becomes noisily. We will change y to I and add ly. Number 5, possible. Very good. Possible becomes possibly. We will remove the e and add ly. Let's play the show me board. Recognize the adverb of manner in the sentence. Write your answer on your board. Number 1. My dog barks loudly. What is the adverb of manner? Very good. The adverb of manner is loudly. Number 2. She speaks intelligently. What is the adverb of manner? Very good. The adverb of manner is intelligently. Number 3. My father drives slowly. What is the adverb of manner? Very good. The adverb of manner is slowly. Number 4. He kindly asked for advice. What is the adverb of manner? Very good. The adverb of manner is kindly. Number 5. The baby sleeps peacefully. What is the adverb of manner? Very good. The adverb of manner is peacefully. What is an adverb of manner? Very good. An adverb of manner tells how an action is done. It answers the questions how. How do most adjectives change to adverb of manner? Very good. Most adjectives change to adverb of manner by adding ly. Now, prepare a paper and a ballpen for our test. Underline the adverb of manner in the sentence. Number 1. The turtle walks slowly. Number 2. She answered the test carefully. Number 3. The children listened to the teacher silently. Change the adjective into adverb of manner. Number 4. Quick. And for number 5, use the adverb of manner slowly in a sentence. Now, let us check your answer. For number 1, the adverb of manner is slowly. For number 2, the adverb of manner is carefully. And for number 3, the adverb of manner is silently. For number 4, quick becomes quickly. Number 5, your answers may vary. For your assignment, those who got 4 to 5, write 5 sentences with adverb of manner. And for those who got 0 to 3, underline the adverb of manner in the sentence. Copy this 1 to 5.